Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to build an email newsletter in Mailchimp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to build an email newsletter in Mailchimp, you need to start by creating a new email campaign. Simply log in into your Mailchimp account, click on create from your dashboard and choose email. Then select regular and enter a name for your campaign. After this, you need to define your audience and setting. You need to add recipients, verify sender info, and create a subject line. Once this is done, you can simply design your newsletter content. Choose a template, add your brand, drag and drop your content blocks, and add your content like logo, text, images, and buttons. Include an unsubscribe link as well, and preview and test your newsletter. Once this is done, send or schedule your newsletter for the reviewing or simply publishing. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.